We've got, I would say, 4 workflows that I just wanted to highlight. The first is we have a pretty large central lecture capture initiative at Duke, and we've been doing that since 2005. That's a big piece of how we do streaming. That happens through appliances that are installed in about 120 classrooms. And we do a huge volume of recording, upwards of maybe 100 classes a day during the peak of the semester. So that's kind of one big piece. And the goal of that one is pure automation. I think the instructors need to be able to walk into a room, basically plug in and have what they're showing on their on the projector and video of them captured automatically, and end to end, it's just seamless for them. The second workflow is more of a kind of a self-service approach where they're using software, cameras and iOS devices to create video and need a place to publish it. And for that, primarily we use a tool called WarpWire, which is a replacement for us. We used Kaltura previously. And we were looking for something that had what we call asset level security, where Kaltura didn't have that, where we wanted to be able to take these videos and have this be more of a publishing engine than kind of like a destination where you log into a single portal and have your stuff there. We wanted to be able to put all these videos in various systems, like you can see under the display section there, and have it preserve the integration with our identity management system. So we worked with this local company, local to Durham, and basically kind of built this from the ground up, and it's been kind of running for about 2 years now, and they've got interest in all sorts of other schools. I think Stanford's using it, and Yale, so it's getting pretty popular, and we're real excited with how that's going. So that's kind of how we handle the on-demand publishing piece. And then we have live streaming and kind of various ways that we do that. Panopto is our lecture capture provider, and they do that for some of the courses. We use Wowza streaming server or media engine now. Sorry, I'm keeping up with your terms, Chris. But yeah, so that handles basically kind of like the catch-all for various events. And I wanted to mention we do a lot of IP camera streams from our Wowza server. That seems to be a really big niche for us. Duke Athletics did a big renovation recently of our Wallace Wade football stadium and Cameron Indoor Stadium. It had 7 cameras going for the duration of that, and we streamed over a petabyte of data, just I think mostly through that. We also have a presence on the coast for our marine lab, and they have 2 cameras. So we're seeing a lot of interest in IP camera streaming with Wowza. So the fourth one I don't have up here, but it's kind of like a bespoke media production and streaming service, and we do a lot with MOOCs now at Duke, massively open online courses. Online learning is just becoming bigger and bigger. And so in the past, we had faculty kind of help them create their own videos for these, but the production values weren't great. And so we've kind of switched to having a professional team of people actually produce this video for them. And that's kind of a newer initiative for us.